When you need to touch up paint on your 2015 to 2020 Ford F-150, finding the correct paint code is essential for a perfect color match. The easiest and most reliable place to find your paint code is on the driver's side door jamb. Look for a certification sticker with various vehicle information. On this certification label, look for the letters EXTPNT, which stands for exterior paint. This will be followed by a 2-character code like UG for magnetic metallic. If the door jamb sticker is damaged or unreadable, check the radiator support panel under the hood. There's a metal tag attached that contains the same paint code information. As a third option, you might find the paint code in your owner's manual or warranty documentation, though this is the least reliable method since documents can be lost or replaced. Always double-check your paint code from multiple locations when possible. The door jamb sticker is your best bet, but having a backup verification ensures you get the exact right color for your F-150. Ford F-150 paint codes use a simple 2-character alphanumeric system. This standardized format makes it easy to identify your truck's exact color for repairs or touch-ups. Here's what the paint code looks like on your vehicle's door sticker. The code UX shown here represents ingot silver metallic, one of the popular F-150 colors. These are the most popular paint colors for 2015 to 2020 F-150 trucks. Oxford White was the most common, appearing on 28% of all F-150s produced during this period. Professional paint suppliers offer comprehensive color charts showing all available Ford colors. Each color has its specific code for precise matching. Using your paint code is straightforward. Simply provide the 2-character code to any paint supplier or Ford dealership to get the exact color match for your truck. Accurate paint code identification provides significant benefits. Insurance companies report 35% faster claim processing, while dealerships see 40% fewer paint ordering errors when using correct codes. Whether your F-150 is white, gray, or blue, using the correct paint code ensures perfect color matching for any repair or touch-up work you need. Remember, your 2-character paint code is the key to getting exact color matches for your Ford F-150, saving time and ensuring professional results.